Hi everyone, in the given problem statement we are going to solve single number. Given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for the one. Find that single one. So basically, here right, let us take this example array of values 2, 2 and 1. So here right, 2 is appearing twice and 1 is appearing once. So one way of solving it right would be we can have a dictionary or a hash map and we can count the number of times the 2 occurred and the number of times have 1 occurred in that, and we're going to return the 1 which is appearing once. But it's been clearly written, right? We have to implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity that only uses constant extra space. While working with dictionary, it was using a linear runtime complexity, but we had to use an extra space because we had to create a dictionary. So our other way of solving it is using a XOR. So let us take how XOR works. Let us take this example, right? So the binary representation of 2 is 1 0, other would be 1 0, and another would be 0 1, 2 2 and 1. So I can have a value of 0 0 initially, right? Let me create a result which is 0 0 0. Let me do a XOR of 1 0. So as you know, right, in XOR how it works, any value, right, which is the same, means if XOR is like 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 0. So this will become 0 and 1. So this one is done. Now I'm going to add it with another one. So it becomes 0 0 because this is removed. And then if I do right 0 1, which is going to be 1 0, and this is going to be the result. So if there is some number, right, which is occurring twice, in that case, right, we can easily, by doing a XOR operation, all those numbers are going to get removed. Only the number which is appearing once is going to remain, and I can show it to you for number of implementation. It is going to be the same. So it is 2 2 and 1, and result is 1. And XOR I think has been written in this way. So this is the basic idea of how to solve the single number. Let us jump to the Python solution. Let us create a variable called result which is going to store our value, and for each, or let's say for num in nums, I'm going to do a XOR. So res equal to result, and in Python XOR is given with an exponential sign and num. So let's say the initial value, right, after, let's say take as example of 2 2 1, right? So 2 XOR 0 is 2, 2 XOR 2 is 0, and 0 XOR 1 is 1. So that's the idea how it's going to work. And at last I'm going to return the result and it should work fine. Let me run it up. As you could see, it ran successfully. Let me submit the code. And as you could see, code got submitted successfully. And it's a pretty efficient solution, beating 100% of the submission. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.